Yes, YouTube. Good afternoon and welcome back again. As we speak, guys, Bitcoin has filled our fair value gap on the daily time frame. We're heading to our last pool of liquidity. We need to hold this level. If we retrace, if we reverse, if we create a market structure shift on this pool of liquidity, most likely we will see upside from here on, right? So I want to show you guys what I'm expecting now for BTC. I want to give you guys an update about our Ethereum and Solana trade from the previous video. So stick till the end, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel. And with that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again. And if you go to the daily time frame, you can see here that we have this fair value gap as I showed you in my previous videos, right? So you can clearly see now that BTC filled up this gap here, right? This last gap, and that we are heading to this pool of liquidity, sell side liquidity in this case. So what I'm expecting, as I told you guys also in my previous videos, is BTC to come to this last pool of liquidity and create a sort of giant wick, dip in it, giant wick, come back up, fill this gap, because there's a small gap here also now create a sort of shark fin, go up, take out buy side liquidity, and then enter on the 618. That's a little bit my expectation and what I'm expecting or what I'm predicting for BTC now at this moment. So you want to wait for BTC to come back to take out late longs, sell stops of people going long here, putting their stop losses here. They got stopped out. Price reacts, take out buy side liquidity, come back to the 618 to eventually enter on the 618 here, right? So this is your confirmation, your shark fin. You want to wait for a market structure shift, and once you create a higher high than this previous high, then you know you have a market structure shift. You want to enter on the 618, right? So again, guys, patience is the key. Wait for confirmation. Fair value gap is filled. Follow me on X because I shared this setup also on my X and I keep you guys updated. So go to my X profile and give me a follow. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. If we can reach 500 likes on this video, then that's highly appreciated, right? So again, guys, if you want to trade, if you want to have an instant upgrade VIP level 4 after sign up, go to the first link in the description, XT, to take advantage of very cheap fees in this case, right? I negotiated a very nice collaboration with XT. So click the first link, sign up and get an instant VIP level 4. If you want to join the crypto gainers, go to cryptohersens.com. We have a nice trading group, a private trading group, where we go more in depth about our TA, and it's always nice to trade in a group, right? So if you go to join crypto gainers, you fill in your name, your email address, and once you did that, you will receive an email with a link to the Discord group, and you also receive a download link to download the free ebook, so you will be prepared before you enter the group, right? So again, guys, wait for confirmation. Fair value gap is filled. Wait for a dip in this liquidity pool here, sell side liquidity, to create a higher high, to eventually jump on the 618 after a shark fin on the daily time frame. So guys, let's go to our Ethereum trade, because our Ethereum trade from our previous video entry got triggered because we came for this sell side liquidity pool. There is a fair value gap, but I'm not expecting Ethereum to go lower. That's why I also put my stop loss there, because if we go lower, we're losing the 618 and most likely you'll come to the 786. So, proper risk management is everything. So now it's just wait to play out, right? If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we're creating a bullish divergence. So that means Ethereum becomes a little bit bullish now at the moment, right? Same situation for Solana. Entry got triggered, came for sell side liquidity, and it's just waiting to play out now. You can see on the 1 hour that Solana also becomes bullish, right? So Again, guys, patience is the key. Trust your model, proper risk management, only put in a trade what you can afford to lose. And you know, I also want to show you guys dominance, because you can see that BTC is dumping more than, for example, Ethereum, right? And that is because dominance starts dumping, right? And that's what you want to see. So the impact of BTC is less than before because dominance drops, right? So keep an eye on dominance, because it started dumping now at the moment. We lost the 786, or we bounced on the 786. So keep an eye on dominance. It can go up, but it doesn't mean that BTC will dump more, because BTC becomes dominance once it starts ripping again, right? So keep an eye on dominance. Trust your models. Ethereum entry triggered, Solana entry triggered, BTC fair value gap filled, heading to a major pool of liquidity. Wait for shark fin market structure shift to enter on the 618, right? That's my plan. So everything in this video is not financial advice, but this is all based on my own experience, right? So guys, join the crypto gainers, like this video, subscribe to my channel. You know, thank you all for watching. And with that said, guys, stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.